Hi, this is Mr. Chong again. Well, I've got some graph to do today. I've got some equation here and I'm going to draw a graph. Well, we all know x squared is a quadratic, so we are just putting a quadratic graph on the top and the origin. And now, if I change the question a little bit, change to x minus 4 squared minus 5, what I'll do is I need to work out the turning point. We all know is 4, negative 5. So I put the graph at 4, negative 5 on the top. So just find out where the center is and then put the quadratic graph on the right spot. So 4 and negative 5 is the center in this case. So this is it. Just move the graph around and that's it. Find out the center. This is the most important point. So in this case, with x cubed is pretty much the same. The center is again the things inside the bracket will be opposite, so become positive 4 and then negative 5. So all these questions have the same center, so I'm going to copy all these brackets to each of these questions. And now what I do is I pick what graph it is according to the equation. This case is x cubed, so x cubes look like this one here. You just go up with style and then move the graph to 4, negative 5. Okay, and now this is done. Do the same thing for x to the power 4. In this case, beware, x to the power 4 is just the same as quadratics, so it is just exactly the same as this graph. You can just copy and paste this graph across. Okay, the reasons behind x to the power 4. Alright, the reason about x to the power 4 is different from the W shape is if this is x to the power 4 with no other x stick with it, then we just use a U shape. And now the next one, 1 over x here in the bottom. Okay, I roll it up a little bit. This graphs look like a butterfly to me, but if it is not look a butterfly for you, what you need to do is just draw something in the middle. Now I'm going to draw it. Okay, so if you draw the center, okay, then you see a butterfly at 4, negative 5 again. Okay, so remember what you need to do is work out what graph it is and then move the graph around. In this case, the things inside x will become opposite, so 4 is become positive here. This time it's 1 over x squared. 1 over x squared look like this. I call it a mountain, okay, and then I move it on the correct position, which is 4, negative 5 again. The last one, I need to move myself, and now what I need to do is a root x. Root x is something very root, and if you're in my class, you know what I mean. And now you move the graph down to the 4, negative 5. And that's it, all the graphs done. Thank you very much.